Hey babes, thanks for watching. You're about to watch the 5-minute challenge. I show you my camera and I quickly try to do the 5-minute challenge. I am going to do commentary as a voiceover because of what I had to do it. It made the sound a little muffled. And I'm in the bathroom, so it really sounds horrible and I don't want to subject you guys to that, but stay tuned, keep watching, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, let me know if there's any other challenges you want me to do, and thanks for watching. Let's roll the footage. So I set the timer for 5 minutes. I know the screen is really bright, so it's kind of hard to see, but I did it on my phone and I quickly started putting on primer. I'm using my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's one of my favorites. And this whole challenge the time went by so fast. You think, oh, 5 minutes, I have a lot of time to do things. Not really. So for foundation, I ended up mixing the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy Plus Smooth Foundation with the Fenty Beauty Foundation. There's going to be a video coming out soon, but I really like that combination and I do a wear test with check-ins, so make sure you're subscribed and stay tuned for that. But I quickly just put it all over my face. I use my Morphe foundation brush just to kind of apply it all over so it's evenly around my face. And then I'm going to end up blending it out with the Morphe Y7 brush. And again, I'm just patting. I like to use that brush to just pat it all over my face. I do kind of smooth it out as well, but most of the movement with that brush is patting, making sure that it goes all over my face and it's patted in so it's like kind of soaked into my skin. But yeah, this challenge went by so fast. And I just keep patting and moving it around. Definitely put it around my neck as well and forehead. Make sure everything is pretty smooth. And I'm just making sure everything is seamless and I didn't forget any spots. I think foundation is really important because it definitely sets the basis for the rest of your makeup. So if you have a good base, then the rest will go on a little bit smoother. So now it's concealer time. I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I love this concealer. I'm getting a little tongue-tied here. It's definitely one of my favorite drugstore concealers, and I'm just patting it away. I ended up using the same brush, the Morphe Y7 brush. That is one of my favorites, or at least has been recently. So I'm just patting under the eye, kind of making sure it's blended nicely. Always blend, blend, blend. And then it's powder time, so I'm quickly rushing. I end up using the Coty Airspun powder to set under my eyes. So I'm quickly using a Morphe brush as well. I think it's the E49 brush. And I'm just quickly putting the powder underneath my eye to just kind of set it so it doesn't crease. And then I'm going to go ahead and also set the rest of my face with the Tarte Filtered Light Setting Powder. And I am trying to hurry up and get this done. I'm using the back of the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush. I use I guess it's the light side, not the contour side. And I just use that to kind of put all over my face to set the foundation. And then I'm realizing what time it is, so I'm rushing. I end up contouring my face with bronzer. So I grab my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I just kind of put it all over in the areas that I would typically contour my face, just kind of rubbing it through. I'm also using a Morphe brush. I don't remember the name of it right now. I think it might be the Y2, I believe. But I'm quickly just running it around. And then another trick is if you don't have time to apply your eyeshadow, you can also use your bronzer. Oops, I accidentally almost dropped the camera. But yeah, you can use your bronzer and your blush as your eyeshadow if you're quickly like on the go and you don't have time to really define your eyes. It'll just kind of give it a little bit of dimension, and it's a quick little trick I have sometimes when I'm on the go. And you just put on some eyeliner, which I'm doing right now. I believe I'm using the Wet n Wild black eyeliner. I just grab whatever I could grab at the time, just lining my waterline. I didn't have time to do the the top part, but waterline will do. And then now I'm just using the Total Temptations mascara by Maybelline, quickly just putting that on. And I'm realizing, oh my God, I'm running out of time. So I'm almost done. Making sure I get those lower lashes too. And then my lips, I'm using the Physicians Formula, the Healthy Lip. I love that liquid lip. It's really nice, smooth, doesn't dry your lips. And I'm just going to quickly wipe off my eyebrows a little bit because I believe I got powder and foundation on there, and I am done. There's the timer. Well, this challenge was fun. Thank you so much for watching. I definitely thought I could get a lot more done in 5 minutes, but it went by so fast. I had lots of fun just showing you quickly what it looks like. It's just a basic, quick, simple look. There's no way I could have gotten a lot more done. But again, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and thanks for watching. Love you guys.